This video will help you assemble, operate, and maintain your Sanitaire SC412 backpack, part of our ultra-quiet, ultra-durable, Quiet Clean line. To assemble the vacuum, first fit the vacuum hose into the cuff on the lid of the tank. Choose the desired wand and cleaning attachments and fit them securely to the end of the hose. Next, put on the backpack and adjust the shoulder straps until you feel comfortable. Then tighten the waist belt. The vacuum should ride high on your back for maximum comfort. Next, unwind the extension cord and plug it into a 120-volt grounded outlet. Finally, clip the power switch box to your belt and toggle the switch to turn the vacuum on. The Quiet Clean backpack comes with a 50-foot 16x3 AWG conductor SJT extension cord. For your safety, we recommend always using this extension cord while operating the unit. The Quiet Clean backpack should always be plugged into a properly installed grounded electrical outlet. Use care when pulling the cord around sharp edges and through doorways. Regular maintenance will keep your Quiet Clean backpack running at peak efficiency. Inspect the cleaner regularly to ensure it is ready for heavy-duty performance and replace any worn parts to ensure maximum cleaning performance. Unwind the cord completely before each use and take several seconds to run the cord link through your hand to make sure the power cord is in pristine condition. Once vacuuming is complete, turn off the main power switch before unplugging the unit from the wall. To change the dust bag, remove the lid by releasing the two latches on the side. Next, separate the lid from the disposable bag and throw away the collected debris. Then, remove the cloth filter bag, turn it inside out, and shake out the dust. Finally, insert a new disposable bag, align the lid nozzle with the bag hole, and latch the lid shut. The flexible vacuum bag ring should provide a tight seal. All Sanitaire vacuums are backed by the Sanitaire Promise of Performance warranty, which covers parts, material, workmanship, and labor to further reduce maintenance costs and downtime for up to 2 years. Sanitaire products are also backed by a network of more than 1,200 warranty service centers throughout the United States.